afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Dr. Jon Belkowitz from Intelligent Concrete, and I am happy to talk to you today about the magical world of concrete. We're going to be getting into our AFWERX project. We've got an AFWERX Phase II Solicitation that we were awarded. We're working with the United States Air Force Academy on that to bring a new and emerging technology to the concrete industry to make their concrete, their Air Force pavements, taxiways specifically, and active runways stronger and last longer. And the problem that we're dealing with is it takes time away from the mission, essential mission objectives whenever we have to rip and replace or at least repair airfield pavements. And then also when those airfield pavements, taxiways or runways are in a state of disrepair, we've got something called foreign object debris. And then of course that foreign object debris causes foreign object damage. We normally see that, here's a picture, ding! In the form of decracking, joint cracking, spalling of the gray stuff, that hydrated cement matrix, and then just portions of the concrete. That could be anywhere from small grains of sand all the way up to big chunks, inch, 4 inches, 5 inches, just a sheet if the situation gets bad enough. And then of course any of that stuff gets sucked up into the intake of a jet engine. We can lose aircraft. So again, there's tangibles and intangibles that lead to this, but ultimately the technology that we're using is going to be used by the Air Force to make their concrete stronger and last longer, so they don't have to spend as much of our taxpayer dollars throughout the world. And as part of that, what we're doing here to get them that technology, we're dialing the technology into. We've already done phase 1, proof of concept. Now that we're working with the Air Force Academy, we know our localized material. We've got 8 mixes that we're running with 7 and 28 day strengths, preliminary mixes just to dial it in. And then we're also doing, so we're doing F primacy, 7 and 28 day compressive strength, slump unit weight, but we're also doing semi-adiabatic temperature curves to look at the temperature of hydration over a 24 to 36 hour period and how that changes by adding the technology and not adding the technology. And from there we do larger scale mixes where we can start looking at durability issues or durability data sets from tests that we run and how that plays part into the service life analysis and cost analysis over a 40-year period. So really excited to start this AFWERX Phase 2 project. Going to be more information coming your way. We're doing some articles, working with the cadets, so it's going to be fun. Stay tuned! Don't forget to like and subscribe. Ding that bell for notifications. Go Concord!
Beat asphalt!